Daytime running lights, or DRL, are low-intensity lights that automatically activate when your Skoda Fabia III is running. They enhance visibility during the day, making your vehicle more noticeable to other drivers. This safety feature helps reduce the risk of daytime collisions. In this video, we'll explore how to enable or disable DRL on your 2014-2021 Skoda Fabia III model. If your Skoda Fabia III has an infotainment system, such as Maxi-Dot or touchscreen, you can control DRL settings through the menu. Start by pressing the menu button on the steering wheel. This opens the main menu on the infotainment screen. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then select Lights. Finally, choose Daytime Running Lights. Here, you can toggle the DRL on or off. This is the most common method for higher trim models. On Skoda Fabia III models without a full infotainment system, you can use the light stalk to temporarily disable DRL. Cycle through the light modes, such as position lights or dipped beam. Note that the DRL will typically reactivate automatically the next time you start the vehicle. This method offers a temporary override, not a permanent disabling solution. In some European countries, permanently disabling DRL is prohibited due to EU regulations, specifically Regulation 48/2014. If you are in a region with such regulations, you may need to visit a dealer or consider aftermarket modifications. However, in other markets like the US, full toggling may be possible, depending on your vehicle's configuration. Always check local laws regarding DRL. While you can disable DRL on your Skoda Fabia III, it's generally not recommended for safety reasons. Studies show that DRL can reduce daytime accidents by 20% by making your vehicle more visible to other drivers. According to NHTSA data, DRL-equipped vehicles have 7 to 12% fewer daytime crashes. The European Transport Safety Council reports a 10% drop in pedestrian fatalities in regions where DRL are mandatory. A recent Skoda survey found that 78% of Fabia III owners keep DRL enabled, with safety being the top reason. If you choose to disable them, ensure you take other measures to enhance your visibility, especially in low-light conditions. Remember, safety should always be the priority when making decisions about your vehicle's lighting. If your DRL aren't working correctly, you might see an error message like DRL malfunction. This is often displayed on the dashboard. This could indicate a faulty sensor, a bulb issue, or even software bugs causing flickering. To diagnose the problem, use an OBD2 scanner. Connect it to the vehicle's port under the dashboard to read error codes. Recent recalls have addressed DRL flickering issues caused by software bugs. Make sure your vehicle has the latest firmware updates from Skoda to fix these problems. Newer Skoda models integrate DRL with advanced driver assistance systems, automatically adjusting intensity based on traffic or weather conditions. This creates safer driving by adapting to real-time conditions. While retrofitting to the Fabia III is complex, check for aftermarket options or software updates to enhance functionality. You now know how to enable or disable DRL on your Skoda Fabia III from 2014 to 2021. Whether through the infotainment system or manual light stalk override, these methods provide control over your vehicle's daytime visibility. Remember to consider legal requirements and safety implications before making changes. In many regions like the EU, DRL are mandatory, and disabling them may affect compliance. Always prioritize visibility and safe driving practices, as research shows DRL can reduce daytime accidents significantly. For any persistent issues with DRL functionality, consult a qualified mechanic to ensure proper diagnosis and avoid voiding warranties. Safe driving practices with proper vehicle settings enhance both your safety and that of others on the road.